In front of me is REALME C73 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. Take a photo over here. And as you can see, it was instantly added to your message. If you want to pick a photo, just click on the chosen ones. And if you can't find them, scroll all the way down, hit Photos at the bottom left corner, click on all of your photos you want to add, and then click on bottom right corner twice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!